This is so f***ing hard. I'm not used to all these f***ing lights.
And action.
Hey y'all, it's me, Joe Exotic. Y'all may know me as a zookeeper, country singer-songwriter, and now a YouTuber. And I'm here to show y'all how I get my face done, get her done. And I have just a natural beauty, and I thought I would just share that because a lot of people always ask me, how the f*** does that man look so good? And you know, all the boys are chasing me around, all the animals are chasing me around, and I just want to bring all y'all my tips and tricks that I've learned over the years from the daggone animals. And today I have, but most of all, I'm the self-proclaimed Tiger King, okay? And what I have today on is my real eyes. Realize my eyes. These are my eyes. I was meant to have blue eyes. God told me. This is me blowjob eyes. My real hair. Where's my f***ing wig? And I put this shit on tight so when he grabs me in the back, you know, Tiger King. And my real good old looking stash. The boys love it in their pussy, let me tell you. Bitches ain't got shit on me. Hey sisters! Now if y'all want to see how I beat this face to the ground. These freaking bangs. Now if y'all want to see this beat face, then stay tuned, keep on watching. And remember, makeup is a one-size-fits-all. Now let me tell you something. It don't take a lot for me to look this good, because I already look good. I'm blessed. I'm blessed. And what I have right here is CoverGirl. I got time to f*** around, pat that shit on, just real quick, real fucking quick. Yep, gives me a little sun, makes me look young. That's what I like to do. I like to go for that tiger orange on my face, y'all know what I'm saying? Is that a fucking nose hair? How embarrassing. Now, because I'm a natural blonde, you know, I like to take me this Anastasia, and just run this through my brows, because it's a little bit dark. Y'all see that? Just adds a little bit of touch. And I've been doing this for years. You know, I used to do magic. I used to run the zoo. I used to work in the mall. So when I would do my trade shows in the malls, you know what I'm saying? I would just stop by them little counters over there and just get my makeup done. Them bitches didn't know I was hustling. And I go to work prepared every day. Dying doesn't scare me at all. Carol Baskin, I'm gonna fucking get you. Now, I don't have any elephants on my zoo, but I do have an elephant friend named PatrickStarrr, and he has a collab or something with this company called Morph. Morph is a nice brand, and I like to just take my bronzer and just whack it on my face. Right there. A little sun, give me a little. Yeah, that's the Joe Exotic right there. Yeah. Look at that. Just blush some on the eyes. Ain't that nice? Ain't that fucking nice? Look at that. Look at that. Oh, and he has a fucking code. Thank you. He has a code PSTARRR. Use it in all caps, saving some money.
So I can take it.
I mean, he can make money. Yeah. My good old friend Charlotte from down yonder taught me this feline flick, and you know I love felines.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, Charlotte, where you at? Hi, she's back there. Hi!
That's Pat McGrath.
Oh, not Pat. Not Pat. I don't know where Charlotte is. Well, you use a Pat product, but a Charlotte technique. Not that I know makeup. Would you look at this compact? This is from my friend Mark. Come on, feline. Yes. Now, my good old friend Wendy from down yonder, the founder of Urban Decay, had given me this pencil, and y'all know on my Netflix show, I love me a blue waterline. This one's called Go Deeper, no, Deep End. Deep End. Blue brings out the blue. I've known that all my life with these, born with these ocean eyes. Fuck, I'm pretty. What's a Joe Exotic eye without this mascara? This is called Great Lash. How them f***ing YouTubers do it? Is this how Jesse Perkins does this shit? Hello? Focus. You know, focus it. This is what it looks like. It's amazing. And I always tell my friends, you just kind of want to like jack off the eye. Like, go, go, go. Same on the bottom. Just go. Rattle that snake. Wink it. Just want to wink the eye. Oh, fuck. Fuck, God damn it. Damn Carol. Wishing that karma on me. I know she did it. Y'all may not know, but I do have an OnlyFans. Speaking of OnlyFans, this is my favorite lipstick. It's a very expensive one. This one is called Orgasm. Never missed a day of that in my life. Just like to put this on them pretty DSLs. Call it a day. Call it a fucking day. And that, my friends, is the again. And that, my friends, is the Tiger King. This is real. This is me. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be now. Welcome back to my zoo, kids. This is the look. If you don't like it, don't watch it. You can sit there with Carol or her dead husband. But anyways, this is the look. This is me. This is the Tiger King, y'all. If y'all like it, please follow me on OnlyFans, Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook below. Shout out to PatrickStarrr for letting me on his channel. It's been such a blessing in disguise. And I hope y'all enjoy this look. And I hope y'all are surviving through this pandemic we are going through. I hope I can bring a smile to your face. Don't forget that makeup is a don't forget that makeup is a one size fits all. I love y'all so much, and I hope to see y'all real soon. Bye. Breathe fire, my tigers.